Alright, yo. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the live stream. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. As Bitcoin right now is pumping, but we've experienced a little bit of a pullback right here. And so we've got our monocles on as we are prepared to look at the price action in depth. Make sure to like the stream. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, because obviously if we can get 1,000 likes within the first half hour, we will be giving away 1,000 USDT. Alright, so let's discuss a few things. First of all, you might be asking yourself, Jason, the title of the video says long, but you're in a short and you're wearing all purple, which means you're bearish, right? Wrong. Here's what we're trying to do. We're trying to manipulate the market makers in the head. The market makers, we want them to think we're bearish, so they pop! Alright? Because secretly, although we're in a short trade, which is from the setup that we gave in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord this morning, where we were looking for CDW at 68.4, and then we were waiting to lose the level before taking a short, and then we took the short, then we were looking to take profit one at the VWAP, which is where we hit to take the profit. Even though we're in the short trade, it's quite obvious that we're in multiple long trades as well. Alright, so yes, obviously we're in the short trade, but we're still long. Alright, we're still in the other long from the long trade that we took live last week. It's still the same week, but it feels like a new week because I took off yesterday. Alright, now, this long trade's still open. We're still shooting for higher targets. And we're going to be talking about those targets today, so make sure to like the stream. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, as Bitcoin right now is coming up to a massive, literally massive area of resistance. And this weekend, as the title of the video says, will shock everybody. Your mom, your grandmom, your grandmom's friend's neighbor, who lives down the road from your grandmom's friend. Alright, why? Why is it going to shock everybody? I'll tell you, it's because we are right now grinding up against this massive area of resistance. This green line of juicy goodness. In fact, we're gonna change this to a different color. We're gonna make it the color of watermelon. We're gonna make it thicker. All right, hang on. Nice, juicy red watermelon. This is the watermelon level. All right, juicy. Because if we can break above this key resistance here, guys, I do believe we're going to have very significant follow through. And it could very easily happen this weekend. Bitcoin right now, as it stands on the 2-week chart, is extremely bullish in my opinion. I have not seen a signal like this on the 2-week time frame. When was the last time we saw a signal like this? We have not seen one in the history of ByBit USD. All right. See, look, our trick is working. The market makers think we're bearish because we're wearing purple, and obviously, you know, when you talk like this as well with the monocle and the accent, it makes you seem bearish, right? Because when you don't use an accent, you sound like a crazy moon boy. Bitcoin's going to $1 million, baby! Ha ha ha! Buy the top. But when you put on the voice of reason, all right, the voice of scientific reason, which obviously only happens with a UK accent, the realism comes in, and you say to yourself, come on, it's fake money, it's going down, right? So you're tricking the market maker to think you're bearish, so he pumps it, and these long trades make massive amounts of money. Now, look at market Cipher B right here, all right? We're going to go right now to the Coinbase chart. The last time we saw, in fact, I think we might even have to go to the index. The last time we saw the 2-week look anything like this was a long time ago. It was literally right around here, right around September 2015, and then again right around May 2016. All right, very rare signals printing right now on the 2-week market Cipher B. Now, as you also know, the last time we saw anything like this, and what am I talking about? This, I mean, the money flow is getting higher, and the green dot is printing close to the zero line like that. The last time we saw this, I remember January on the 4-day time frame. I remember vividly taking a dump with my laptop doing analysis on the toilet, which is a horrible idea because you think you're going to be able to do it quick, but next thing you know, it's been 2 dang hours on the toilet, your legs are asleep, you can't get up because your legs are asleep. Then you finally do get up and you have to hang onto the wall and grope along because your legs are asleep. I was on the toilet taking a dump and I noticed the 4-day time frame was printing this signal. And I said to myself, this is not bearish. This is extremely bullish. And when we zoom out, we take a look at what was happening at the time that the 4-day was printing this. Well, that gave us a massive pump to the upside. All right, massive pump to the upside. Now we got the 2-week as we're about to break out of the watermelon level. And let's see, this short trade that we're in right now, guys, as you can see, all right, it is about to get stopped out now. Look, we took the scalp trade. We secured a TP Uno. All right. We secured TP Uno. And we have been, you know, securing the TPs along the way here. Okay, so we're just stopped out now. All right, we just got stopped. All right. All right, so we made a little TP Uno. Let's see here. We gotta come back now. All right, we made a TP Uno. All right. And then we got our stop loss hit here. So we made $1,000 on the short from the setup that we gave in the Casper crew. Let's check this out. All right, we are pressing up against this level. All right, we are pressing up against this level right now. Oh my goodness, this is insane, man. Let's see what happens. Look at this. Look at this. We are pumping, baby. Where are our next targets during the Bitcoin pump? Well, there's a few areas we need to be aware of right now. All right, there are a few areas that we need to be aware of right now. Area number 1, obviously, is going to be $70,000 because $70,000, guys, is the value area high of this massive range. All right, it's the value area high of the massive range, meaning that that's our next target, man. We are definitely probably going to get sucked up into that zone. I'm telling you, it's going to be crazy. It is going to be crazy. Now, once we reclaim 70,000, all right, let's talk about this. Let's talk about this logically. Once we reclaim 70,000, guys, that means we have broken out of the range to the upside, and the sky's the limit. We're probably going to hit a new all-time high because the next resistance that we have above that is going to be this green line at the previous all-time high. So this could get pretty... All right, I think we can break out of it today. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Here we go, baby. It's time for liftoff. Now, there are a few other levels that we have. Namely, all right, we have a naked daily point of control at 69.5. $70,000 is the value area high and a liquidity grab. And then, of course, 70,890 is a naked weekly point of control. But in general, we don't have much resistance before a new all-time high. And I feel it in my bones, guys. I feel it in my bones. I mean, this weekend could be the weekend that we get the big break. All right, we got to give a major shout out to everybody in the chat. First of all, 1,000 likes in the first half hour. We do give away 1,000 USDT. We got to give a major shout out to our super chats. All right, first of all, shout out to John Myers. Thank you for the super chat. And he says, hey, bro, I'm VIP and I'm not seeing the trades on the Discord. How do I get on top of this? Just, there are different channels in there. One channel is my trades, one channel is Boyan's trades, one channel is White Phoenix trades. You got to go in the Discord and also make sure you have push notifications set for the channels like this one here. All right, this is the Jason Casper Bitcoin TA channel, and then the Boyan channel. All right, and then the White Phoenix channel. All right, looks like Boyan also took that short as well. All right, the K-Pax channel, the White Phoenix channel. All right, put push notifications on for these, and of course make sure you got notifications for the live streams that we do multiple times a day as well in here. All right, so that's how you get on top of that. All right, so major shout out to David the Great. He says, stand up shaking like a newborn baby deer after. Yeah, when you're on the toilet. Good, look, traders understand what it's like to be trading on the toilet, because you sit down, you think you're just going to do a little bit of analysis. Next thing you know, your legs are totally asleep. It's a very painful experience. All right, it's a very painful experience. All right, here we go, baby. Here we go. This white line is key. Let's check out order flow right now and see what's happening. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So, as we were attempting that first big break, we had 18 million fresh longs opening. 18 million fresh longs opening. None of them closed. Basically, virtually none of them closed. Then, we've had some shorts opening up. And so far, we're actually building up some bullish-looking CVD here. All right, what do I mean by bullish-looking CVD? I mean, we're seeing shorts open, but they're not able to push the price down yet, which so far is bullish. Now, we are struggling at this level here because the bears right now are trying to come in. The bears are trying to push us down below this white line of juicy goodness. The bears are trying to keep us below the watermelon level of juicy goodness. And let me tell you, this is not a seedless watermelon either. This watermelon has plenty of seeds because seedless watermelon are infertile, guys. All right, yes, in the moment, they're pleasurable because they don't have the seeds, but in the long run, guys, it's the seeds that allow you to continue to have the watermelons year after year after year in the garden. All right. Alrighty. Man, we are seeing the struggle. We've got 1.6 million shorts opening up here. Again, look, here's the deal, guys. If we are going to lose this candle, losing 68,180 now means we will have 18 million longs trapped. So the key level to be watching now is 68,160. So we're going to go ahead and put that on our chart. 68,160. This is very, very key. 68,160, 18 million trapped longs. All right, 18 million longs opened up here, which means right now there's 18 million bull power at this exact level. And we have shorts opening up here. And so far, the shorts are not able to push the price down below where the bulls have opened up their positions. So this right now is a bullish thing. This right now, until we lose, like everything changes once we lose this, because then we have 18 million trapped longs, and then we could see the move back down to the bottom of the range, right? But until that happens, guys, until that happens, this to me looks bullish, because we're seeing some bullish CVD here locally. We're seeing the price making higher lows. We're seeing us hold the VWAP. We're seeing shorts opening up. These shorts are unable to push the price to the downside. We take a look at market Cipher B. The 12-minute had the opportunity to print a bearish divergence, which it did not. All right. We had the opportunity to print the bearish divergence. We did not print it. The VWAP is coming back to the upside. We go to the 6-minute chart. And what do we see here? Money flow also getting thick. All right. The money flow also getting thick here. We are getting a big pump. We are up almost $2,000. Okay, so far we already realized $1,500 on this long trade, taken live, by the way, guys. In fact, all 3 of these trades were taken live, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. All 3 of these trades were taken live on YouTube. All right, so here we go, baby. As we are pushing up into the watermelon level, here we go. Prepare for liftoff. I can hear the engines. Get your plungers ready, baby. All right, because if you're short, you're about to be underwater. You're gonna end up with your shorts down around your ankles at your mom's friend's house using the toilet, and the toilet's overflowing, and you're short and your shorts are down around the ankles, underwater on the floor as the toilet's overflowing, and you don't know what to do in the situation. Do you call for help? Help! It's so awkward because you don't really know this lady and you're using her toilet. You had to. Sometimes you gotta go. So I hope you didn't short. Here we go, baby. We are about to pump! Oh my goodness. This is wild, man. This is wild. This is wild. I'm excited. I don't know about y'all, but I'm excited. I feel like we need to sing a pump song or something. I really do. I feel like we need to sing a pump song or something. What do you guys think? Pump song, yay or nay? We are right now, guys. I mean, on the 6-minute time frame. Look at this. We are officially back testing as support now. This watermelon level. All right. Here we go, baby. To our next level of resistance, guys. Next level of resistance is going to be 69.5. All right, 69.5. Let's put that on the chart. 69.5. This is our next target. Target, baby. Here we go. That's our target, 69.5. And then after that, 70,000. It's only $500. And then after that, 70,890. So 70,890. We'll put our next target up there. Target 2. Let's go, baby. Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Shout out to our super chats, man. Shout out to GG. He says, what levels are we looking at to get into another big long? I don't know. Right now, I'm just pumping, baby. I'm only looking for shorts. Send it with a pump song, baby. All right, let's get the pump song going. We gotta wait for a back test before we look at big longs, man. We gotta wait for a big pullback here. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. Don't do this to us right now. We need to pump. Let's pump! Yeah! Here we go, baby. Time for liftoff. Here we go, baby. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Here we go, baby. Gotta get the bullish hat on. Let's pump. Can you believe your eyes? Can you believe your eyes? Oh my goodness! We're pumping! We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, yeah, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. All right, a little bit of a pullback. No need to get scared. Let's go back. Ah! Oh no! Bitcoin's losing the level, guys. All right. All right. Be strong. Jason, calm down. Do your deep breathing exercises. Whew. It's okay, Jason. It's okay. Whew. Do your deep breathing. We got this, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Remember, as long as we don't lose 68,162, we're still bullish, baby. Come on. Oh no. Ah! We're gonna dump. Hopefully not. We're gonna dump. I really hope no. We're gonna dump. I really hope not. Pump the Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. Hopefully no. We're gonna dump. I really hope we don't. Pump the Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Yeah. Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're Bitcoin. Yeah, we're Bitcoin. Yeah, we gonna dump. Now we're gonna pump. Yeah, we gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump right now. All right. Whoa. We're getting a little bit of a dump here. Let's see what's happening on the order flow. Shorts closing out. Longs still open. All right. Shorts closing out. Longs are still open. Make sure to like the stream, guys, because here's the thing. If we can get 1,000 likes in the next 7 minutes, we will be giving away 1,000 USDT. All right? I'm trying to give it away. Like the stream, don't dislike. All right, we got to give a major shout out to Crypto Scarface, 4-minute bear div. All right, look, if you're bearish, this is a good place to open up a hedge, all right? Because the truth is, this is a valid short entry to protect long capital right now. It's valid. I ain't gonna lie, it's valid. It's a valid short entry to protect long capital. Alright? Yeah. We sang the pump song, don't you know that we tried to pump it up? But all of a sudden, Bitcoin starts to dump, cause we had the juicy watermelon level. Looking like a nice juicy melon out in the bevel. The bevel is another word for the watermelon patch. Bitcoin laying eggs, don't you know they're about to hatch? All new time highs about to come as the Bitcoin pumps into the sky. Let it run. Yeah, but now we looking at rejections. Bitcoin price got me mad introspection. Hopefully we do not change direction. Hopefully we keep pumping up reflection. Like I'm looking in the mirror. The Bitcoin price better quit acting queer, because when she goes up, then she starts to go down. Don't you know that my style starts to turn into a frown? Don't worry, Jay Casper got the plunger in his hand, looking better than any other across the land. Got the Pikachu hat chilling on his head. Hopefully the short trades all end up in the red. Yeah, but now I'm waving it around as the Bitcoin's pumping. Can you even hear the sound of the bears getting wrecked? Looking to the left, what do you think Bitcoin will do next? When I look to the left, it looks like the right, because I got mirror mode on. Alright, so my left is the right and my right is the left. The Bitcoin price action does it the best, but now we're pumping because we sang the pump song. Delayed effect, sometimes it takes long. Gonna come back to the order flow. Take a look down below. What do you know? Here we have to show that we had 18 million longs. Open up before we even sang the pump song. Came up to the watermelon level for rejection, but now we're turning around. We got that erection pumping up. Got the big blue candles like Pfizer. Viagra coming out looking like a lighter, cause you're gonna pour the gas and set it on fire. Then the Bitcoin price keeps pumping higher. Yeah, we got a red dot on market Cipher. Doesn't bother me because I'm better than any other. When it comes to the rappers on the web, don't you know Jay Casper got the bars in his head? I got them in the Pikachu hat. They're hitting underneath. What you think about that? I take the nose clip and I put it right here. Then I take the plunger. I say, don't worry, my dear. If you do your brief exercises, don't you hear? It'll keep your emotions from commandeer. Your trading decisions. The Bitcoin price about to get you in bitches. Ah! Hopefully we will. Shout out to Bullish Juice. All right, shout out to Bullish Juice. And shout out to my man Bullish Juice, who says, my brothers and I watch you every time you're live, bro. The pump song be having us so hyped. All right, that's what's up. All right, shout out to Bullish Juice, and shout out to David the Great. I'm sorry, David the Great and Bullish Juice. Smash the like button. All right, guys, this is a place, honestly, I'm gonna have to open up a just in case hedge here. All right, I'm gonna have to open up a hedge short here, just in case. Just in case, guys, honestly, in case we dump, because this could be a dump. Let's check out our 24-minute. Yeah, look, guys, if we reject it from here, this could give us a little bit down today for the rest of the day. I hope no, but I'll be honest, I would rather pay a little fee here because I don't like what's happening right now. All right, but I'm still bullish, and I still think as long as we hold above 68,162. 68,162, then we're in the clear. All right, 68,162, we're still bullish. We're still in the clear. All right, make sure to smash up the likes, guys, because we have 2,273 people in here, but we only have 700 likes, which is quite sad, honestly. All right, shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Yeah. Look, we got some low time frame bear divs. We even got the 24-minute bear div here, all right? So I'm gonna have to pop open a short. All right. This is what's known as a schlong trade, baby. And people might say, Jason, what are you doing? Why are you shorting if you're bullish? I'll tell you why, guys. All right, let me tell you why I'm doing this. All right, think about it logically. All right, I'm in a long trade up $17,000 US. All right, now there's two options. Let's say we do reject from this level and these bearish divergences do play out. And in hindsight, I think to myself, Jason, why didn't you short? There were obviously bearish divergences. Okay, and then I'm not in a short trade, and this $17,000 is draining from my account. Ah, no! Ah! Okay. Now let's say I do open a short trade. Well, now as the money is draining from this one, I'm making it with this one. Now keep in mind, guys, I've already made thousands of dollars on these trades here, right? We've already made thousands of dollars on these trades. All right. So, what does that mean? That means that I've already made money on the long trade, and if we dump, I can make money on the short trade, lock in a profit. Let's say we lock in $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 from the short trade. All right, and then we do get a bounce. What does that mean? It means I protected my capital on the way down, made some extra money, and now we're back to where we started, baby. All right. Now, what if we just pump from here? Then I pay a fee of, hang on. I pay a fee of $481. I'm paying $400 to protect 17 grand. Totally worth it, man. It's actually more risky for me not to short right now than it is for me to short right now because we have some bear divs. We're seeing, even though we know that we're bullish as long as we hold above 68,162, right? It's more risky for me to not short than to short right now because I'm paying an insurance fee of $400 to protect my capital in case this is a legit rejection from the watermelon juice line. All right. Now, am I still bullish? Yes. But do I know for certain? No. All right. So this is why we got to do what we got to do. All right. We got to do what we got to do, baby. What's the profit for the short? You know, we're going to have to wait and see because right now, I'm not even thinking about taking profits on the short until we lose 68,160. All right. I'm not even thinking about it until we lose 68,160. When does the Pikachu detective think we make a new all-time high? Soon. All right. Now remember. All right. Now let's keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, When we first entered the stream, we were in the short trade, the scalp trade that we gave in the Casper crew in advance. Hit a take profit 1. Already made $1,000 today shorting Bitcoin. And we were tricking the market makers, making them think we're bearish. Right? We want the market maker to think we're bearish. We got our purple hats on. We got a purple tank top on. We're speaking with this very scientific UK accent. We got the monocle in the eye. All right, when the market maker thinks you're bearish, that's when they'll pump it. Then when we sang the pump song, they thought we were bullish, okay? It has to do with the color hat you're wearing. It really has to do with the reverse psychology that you're playing with the market maker. Now, once again, we come back to the order flow, and we have 18 million longs here, honestly. Wow. 18 million longs. That is, the bulls are in control so far this move, unless we lose our level at 68,162, right? Unless we lose 68,162, the bulls are definitely in control. But there's a chance that these bear divs play out here after rejecting from the level, right? There's a chance. And because there's a chance here, guys, that's why I've taken this hedged short trade, all right? Again, risking 400 in order to protect my capital. Now, make sure to like the stream, guys, because I'm out here in the trenches, all right? I've been trading live all week and all last week, showing you guys my wins, showing you guys my losses, letting you into the perspective and the mentality. And by the way, in January, we're going to be doing a free trading course on this YouTube channel. Free trading course. So you don't want to miss that. Make sure to subscribe. We are well on our way to 200,000 subscribers. And shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Major shout out to Crispy TV. How can I see how many longs or shorts are open? It's you got to use EXO charts. All right. Can you show the liquidation chart? I don't usually use the liquidation chart. Shout out to Crypto Coons. God bless you, bro. Yeah, 18 million longs at the top, man. So we lose 68,162, and we could see a lot of longs getting liquidated. All right. Let's see. All right. Man, shout out to everybody in the chat right now. You guys are absolutely amazing. God bless you all. God bless you all. We have a possible bear div on the daily. All right. Coin Glass, see liquidation charts. Exchanges are blocking longs. Did I see Crypto Face's new video? I'm not sure. Which video are you talking about? You talking about the one where he's talking about new all-time highs? I'm also kind of bullish, like, I'm not gonna lie, but let's come to the daily. All right. This daily bear div here, oh man, it doesn't look that likely. I'll be honest with you guys. It doesn't look that likely. We're not really gonna have it doesn't look that likely. I'll tell you what this looks like. And maybe this is just my bullish bias popping in. But I will say this, right? The daily time frame to me looks like we have gotten this, and now we are ready to make another wave of the blue. And so it really looks like we're gonna come and take these highs, and then we're gonna see a more macro bear div like this as the money flow comes out over time. And that's gonna be in 2025 when we top out. That's how this is looking to me now. I'll be honest with you. In the moment, that's how this looks to me now. When we look at the momentum wave on the daily, it looks like she had the opportunity to print the red dot, guys. She had the opportunity to print the red dot on Wednesday, on Thursday, but now, depending on how this daily candle closes here, all right? Depending on how this daily candle closes here. All right, looks like we're about to get wrecked, all right? When I say wrecked, you know what I mean. I mean, not really wrecked. Also, guys, I am still in the massive swing long trade on MEXC, all right? So, by the way, MEXC, best deal on fees, all right? 0% limit order fee, 0.01% taker order fee, literally almost no fees, and 0% spot fee. So if you want to go in and out of Tether, all right, you can do that without having to pay any fees on MEXC. In my opinion, it's the best deal. And of course, BLOFIN is non-KYC exchange, and BLOFIN allows you to basically trade without KYC, right? So, all right. Man, so we are long, right? That's the title of the video. Says $300,000 long position because we're $127,000 long here. We are $73,000 long here. So that's about 200,000. And then over here, we are another $129,000 long. So we're over $300,000 long right now on Bitcoin. All right. We've got $300,000 in long positions on Bitcoin. We're up right now about of unrealized profits. We're close to almost we're pushing 50K. We're pushing 50K, right? So it's pretty juicy, man. All right, let's see. Let's check out this order flow. What's happening now? Nothing too much. So in general, I think we're gonna get another push up. I feel in my bones, guys, another push up. All right, let's see if we can hit our target at 69,499. In fact, we're gonna have to at 69,499, 69,487. We're gonna hit another take profit up there. All right, we're gonna hit another take profit right there. Lock in another 1,000 smackaronis. All right. And then at 70,850, we're gonna have to lock in another $1,000. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Bitcoin looks great on the weekly, says somebody. Feel it in my bones, baby. All right, A. Griff says, I've been here for 5 years now. You guys have no idea what's about to go down. Well, A. Griff, man, you're going to keep the secret to yourself, bro? All right? I see you got a Bitcoin on the chain. I got a Monaco on the chain, all right? I'm inspecting the price action, but I need you, AI Griff, to tell me what is going on. Come on, man. You're going to keep the secrets to yourself. Everybody put a 1 in the chat if you want AI Griff to let us know what's about to happen. He's got the hidden gnosis that nobody else has. We have no idea what he knows. He's been here for 5 years. AI Griff, why are you going to let us down like that, my man? You're going to build it up and not follow through? Come on, my man. Shout out to AI Griff. Everybody wants AI Griff. All right. Did I see Tom Crown in the chat? Hang on. Is Tom Crown in here? I see Tom Crown in the chat. I thought I saw Tom Crown in here. I did. I see Tom Crown. He says Griff gatekeeping hard. Yeah, he's gatekeeping hard, man. All right. Come on, bro. Everyone wants you to let us know the secret, man. I want to know the secret. How long have I been here? Let's see. It's going on my 8th year of being in crypto. That's insane, man. That is actually insane. All right, AI Griff, come on, man. Let's see. We're waiting for him. I don't see him here. Come on, AI Griff. All right, shout out to Tom Crown. Everyone go make sure to subscribe to Tom Crown, all right? The man is amazing, all right? Literally amazing. He makes amazing content. I can't even believe it. Tom Crown, how do you even do that, man? I don't know, all right? I don't have skills like Tom Crown has, all right? The man has the most amazing technical analysis teaching videos out there. You want to learn how to trade? All right, go subscribe to Tom Crown right now. You got 2 options out there in the world of crypto traders, all right? You got Jason Gasper and you got Tom Crown. The difference is in the glasses. Tom Crown only wears sunglasses because it protects from the glare of the screens and the lights, which keeps him from making poor trading decisions. Now Jason Casper wears these crazy googly eyes. Oh my goodness, he freaks out, is so emotional. Every time he looks at the chart, I got a FOMO in at the top, a sell at the bottom. So make sure to go subscribe to Tom Crown. All right, so we're in our Hedge short. We're at the watermelon juicy level. Let's recalibrate. Let's come back to the 12-minute. Oof. All right. Yeah. Honestly, guys, I hate to say it, but this 12-minute red dot prints and we're coming down a bit here. 12-minute red dot Princeton. We are coming down. And I don't want it to be true. I don't. Tom Crown, help. We need some hopium. You know what? We are going to take a puff of the hopium, guys. All right, let's do what we do best. All right, let's do what we do best. We're going to take some of our Depends adult diapers. All right. We're going to rip off a little piece. And we're going to put it in to our pipe. And we're going to smoke that hopium. Tom Crown! Help! Tom! Help me! Tom Crown. Are we gonna dump or are we gonna pump, man? We need answers. Is the giveaway happening today? Let's see. Is the giveaway happening today? Well, how many likes do we have? We have over 2,000 people watching, 900 likes. All right, let's set a timer. All right, we will do a giveaway. If in the next 10 minutes we get 2,000 likes, all right? Next 10 minutes we get 2,000 likes. If everyone likes the video in the next 10 minutes, we will give away $1,000, all right? Voided CC, don't know how I got here, but what am I watching? You're watching Kids Don't Smoke Diapers. I picked a bad day to quit smoking adult diapers. All right, okay, here we go, Tom Crown. He says the pump is coming. Whew. All right, thank you, Tom Crown. You know what? I'm going to take off my bearish purple hat. I'm going to put on my bullish blue hat, baby. All right, we're feeling the pump. We're feeling the pump. All right. Shout out to Zoltan Pop. And major shout out to Mr. On Linus. Jason, can you check on rats? Rats. Yeah, let's check rats, man. Okay, so just a little context before we check on rats. We have a 12-minute red dot printing. We have bearish divergences. We have money flow coming down to 12-minute time frame. All right. The other context is we have 18 million longs who opened up above this level. So as long as we hold this level, the bulls are in control. As soon as we lose this level, the bears are now in control. They were sleeping, they were hibernating, but we accidentally left out tons of honey and raw bacon outside of our tent as we were camping, as things are getting intense because we're camping intense. All right. The order flow. We have shorts closing out here, longs holding. We have longs opening, longs holding, 18 million of them. Another 2.5 million longs. Another 3 million. Millions of longs. All right, above the VWAP. All right, we got to hold VWAP. Now we're going to take a look at rats. Now this blue hat smells pretty weird, so I'm not going to wear it, all right? I don't trust it. I don't trust it, okay? It's probably covered with some weird Chinese made in China stuff, you know? And so is this purple one, by the way. Both of these hats probably lower testosterone. I don't recommend them. I also don't recommend smoking adult diapers. Rats. All right, man, we're checking out rats from my man with the super chat. We usually don't look at coins like rats. Now, I don't know anything about rats. Nothing. But all I know is this. All right. Again, let's look at this. And let's look at this. Now, what do we have here? We have a bullish divergence as the price made a lower low, a pretty nice wick, giving us the bullish uneven butt cheek pattern. Juicy on the left side, skinny on the right side. All right, we can clearly see that pattern right here. All right, let's go ahead and see that. All right, we got the pattern. And from that time, we have made a series of higher highs and higher lows. High, higher low, higher high, higher low. We've taken out the previous lower highs here. And so we do see some bullish things happening in this consolidation. All right, let's pull it off log scale for a second. That means that, in my opinion, not financial advice, because I don't know anything about rats, all right? It sounds like some kind of scam coin, to be honest. But, it's not even the best risk to reward, to be honest with you. It's really not even the best. It's like a 4-to-1. This is a valid opportunity. Accumulation in this pattern here, because we've already printed a bottom signal in the pattern. I would expect it to eventually break out. The daily looks bullish to me. if we hit previous highs 4-1, let's say rats is the next big thing, then yeah, could totally be worth it, right? So look, I don't know anything about rats, but the chart looks nice. I just wish it had more upward potential. All right, it's only been listed since December, so about a year. So if we're gonna have a big Bitcoin bull run and a meme coin, altcoin run, and rats is gonna participate in that run, you're buying low, all right? These are the coins that, you know, if they pump, you know, you're buying low, all right? Now, let's pop back on over to Bitcoin. All right, bull flag, baby, before the big pump. Bull flag pumping before the big pump. All right. Remember, guys, shout out to AI Griff. All right, he's bringing the juice. First of all, we have 5 minutes for everybody to like the video when we do a $1,000 giveaway. 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Second of all, AI Grip says the struggle is real. We're going up. Check the weekly. Check the 2 weekly, man. The 2 weekly is insanely bullish. The 2 weekly, we've never seen the 2 weekly look like this, man. We've never seen it look like this. But I'll be honest, I expect, based on this 2 weekly, a new high. But I don't know how high we're actually going to go. I think Bitcoin's going to underwhelm people this cycle. You know, I really do. But I hope I'm wrong. But it looks like we're going to go up, AI Griff. And I hope you're right. Based on this confirmed 2 weekly dot, it looks great. The regular weekly also looks really good for upside. Like, we had the opportunity to get the red dot, we did not. The daily, in my opinion, looks really good for more upside. Looks like we found support at the purple money flow, and now we're coming back into the blue. You know, all big time frames say more up, but obviously we can't know for certain. Shout out to AI Griff for the super chat. Thank you so much, bro. God bless you. I really appreciate you for popping on through. All right, Brock Lander says, yo, Jay, can you look at RUNE? Yeah, RUNE. RUNE USDT. Well, what can we say except we have a nice looking bottom on the weekly here as we come down to test the support resistance flip. Excuse me, that Hopium was really harsh. Shout out to Tom Crown for keeping me bullish, all right? This, right now, I'd say RUNE, I mean, a break above and a back test of this is bullish. This is our current support resistance flip here. Let's check out market Cipher. The weekly looks nice. The money flow looks nice. Let's check out the daily. It looks really nice here. Bullish divergences, money flow getting higher. It looks like a really nice bottom, to be honest. So I would be interested in, now that we've made a higher high here, if we come down a little bit more, I would be very interested in getting into a long from this zone, the Golden Pocket 786 retest, right? Letting this 1 day red dot play out a little bit more. And my rationale behind this is we formed a bullish divergence. Then we made a high, a higher low, a higher high. We took out this last lower high. So we're changing market structure on the daily with bullish divergence as a bottom. A very, very strong signal. Then what that means is when you come down from that last low to high, when you come down between the Golden Pocket and the 786, this is where you look for that higher low to come in. And this is a nice level too because it allows us to basically stop out all these guys, right? And then we can come down, get that bounce from around 420-ish down to 380. Give or take. All right, give or take. All right. Bitcoin got a case of the strugs. It's the bears and the bulls trying to make a pull. And we have, guys, if everybody likes the video, the stream right now, we can really get a giveaway. But What do I think about the IT Bollinger Bands and Green Weekly MACD? Robolus, I don't really know, man. I have not really looked at those indicators, to be honest with you. I've not really looked at those indicators, to be honest with you. The IT Bollinger Bands, I have not heard of that. How many longs do I have open? I have 3 longs open. Okay, I'm lagging. So let's check this out. Oh, crap. Dang, we got some lag, it looks like. Looks like I've got some internet issues. Alright, no lag? Okay. All right. Hang on, am I lagging, guys? Let me know. Looks like I'm experiencing some issues here. Looks like I'm experiencing some issues. Alright, I'm fine. No lag, everything's okay. Okay. That's good to hear. Alright, looks... All right, Bitcoin is about to, at the 5-minute time frame, is about to print another green dot. The 12-minute time frame in 3 minutes and 48 seconds will confirm a red dot. And we are heading into 12 o'clock noon, which is typically a slow time for Bitcoin. So overall, I expect bullishness to ensue for Bitcoin, and a break above this red line, this watermelon juice line, is going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin, potentially into the weekend. But I've opened up a hedge here just in case we reject. All right. And if we do reject, it will probably result in a higher low. I mean, I'm expecting it to result in a higher low. A rejection from here, I would expect probably we take out these lows and get an entry, something like this. Right? Man, that Hopium was real harsh. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. That Hopium was harsh, baby. Shout out to HFG in the chat. Shout out to Adam Thomas with the mushrooms. Shout out to Jagadish OP. Shout out to Lolo. Bitcoin pumping, baby. Bitcoin pumping. Here we go. All right, we got 18 million longs above 68,162. Here we go. Oh! All right, let's watch. Let's watch it. Who would short Bitcoin honestly? Well, apparently a few people tried, including myself. A few million people tried, actually. Millions of people would short Bitcoin here. That's the answer to your question. Millions. Millions! Shout out to OG Blockchain. Shout out to Crypto Owl who says Jesus is king. Shout out to Liet Uvis who says pump to 70K. Yeah, millions each with $1. Quicker knows exactly what's up right now. Quicker knows exactly what's up right now. Give a shout out to the Irish fella. Shout out to the Irish fella. Crypto face is bullish as frogs, he says. Shout out to AI Griff. All right, guys, we are going to pump. Bitcoin is going to pump. Sadly, I have to head out for the weekend because I have a lot of things to do. God bless everybody in Jesus' name. I'm going to head out. I'm bullish. We might get a pullback from here. If we do, it will probably result in a higher low, and then we can pump again. Maybe we won't even get that. As long as we don't lose 68,162, things are very bullish. Once we break above this watermelon line right here at around 68.5 and hold above, we're going to rocket ship to the moon, baby. The only thing to be careful of is this 12-minute bear div. That being said, God bless everybody. I hope you have a great weekend. Shout out to Samuel Gil Maffei. We don't have time to check waffles. I got to head out, my man, but I appreciate the super chat. We'll have to do it next time. God bless you guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.